I'm Aliana as your doctor. Hello, I am Thomas Margaret. I am at... James, ano ka? Sabi na mawawala. Ano siya?
Ano, si Iman.
Piloto daw siya, guys. Aidan! Aidan! Pakilala ka, tas ano yung... Ano mo?
Ay po, ako po si Aiden Carretro eh. Politician.
Wala. Ay!
Pre, ano yung bunda na?
Kurapian guys. Kurapian ka. Ariana's checking my heartbeat. Ano rin mo ng boses ko? So guys, apparently nakapila po kami ngayon. Ayala, don't curse. Always speak in English. Oh, sorry. Okay, fronta mo na. So guys, it's kind of hot inside, so I prefer wearing my sunglasses because, you know, we're going to fly high like a butterfly. Hey!
So yan guys, naiwan kami. Bumalik kami sa room. Yan. Nangas. Let's go. Mas namin. Bye guys.
Hey vlog, paglutuan
Hey guys. So,
We're about to
now-
go to the gym for the parade.
Yeah.
The gang.
Eh. So now we are...
There's so many people, it's so hot. Where's my phone? So
There's so many people here.
I'm a corrupt politician.
Yeah. Emma Seaman. Go look. Look at that, man. Come on.
For the brand. Arvik, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
Yeah.
I'm with my buddy Gavin Infantado.
Yeah. We're going to parade outside.
So hot though.
Yeah. There's so many people here.
Daming tao.
Yeah. So now we just stop and yeah.
So grade 9 debaters, Team A and Team B, please come on stage.
So guys, it's debate time.
Yes, let's move on to the Team B.
So I am with Ariana. Marco! Hello guys! Ay, shit! Ang sarap! And... Ariana! Rocket! And nagpapalala sila doon.
Our team be ready.
So, merong magde-debate grade 9 and grade 10.
Okay, so it
And
seems that both groups are ready.
may two groups sila. Type yung main, tapos yung... Ay, nagre-record ako! Nakikita ka talaga!
That is to be discussed by the one and only Mr. Jeremy Ben Mohen.
Woo! Sir Ken, nakita mo Sir Ken kung gaano kasama ugali ni Ariola pagdating sa'yo?
I believe that the grade 9 students are really ready for this debate. Mr. Steve
So, guys,
and yours
Sir
truly,
Ken is
Mr.
explaining
Stephen Ferrer, to judge this debate.
the
Judges'
introduction of
decisions
the
are final and irrevocable.
So,
For the criteria
where na go?
Leading out
So, Jana...
Artemis Margaret Lanuza.
Ano meron? Nanalo ka! Nakalin!
Second placer from grade 10. Great turnout, Victoria!